Kia ora! Welcome to the fourth lesson in negating. Today, we're going to learn to negate another type of past tense. In a positive sentence, we use the word kua. When we negate this tense, kua changes to kia. With this tense, there is one more difference. After kāore, we have to say anō, which, in this context, means yet. The rest of the order of the words is the same as when we negate the other tenses, meaning the sentence starts with kāore anō. Immediately after, we put the pronoun. After that, we put kia. Finally, the sentence ends with the verb. The meaning is the same as when we use haven't or hasn't in English. Kāore anō ahau kia kōrero. I haven't spoken yet. Kāore anō koe kia kōrero. You haven't spoken yet. Kāore anō ia kia kōrero. He or she hasn't spoken yet. Notice that the verb does not change, no matter who we're speaking about. We can change the verb to change the action itself. Oma means run. Kāore anō ahau kia oma. I haven't run yet. Kāore anō koe kia oma. You haven't run yet. Kāore anō ia kia oma. He or she hasn't run yet. Instead of using a pronoun, we can use the name of a specific person. If we want to do this, we have to say a before the name. For example, Kāore anō Maria kia kōrero. Maria hasn't spoken yet. Kāore anō Rewi kia kōrero. Rewi hasn't spoken yet. Let's practice using people's names and also learning some new verbs. Ako means learn. Kāore anō Maria kia ako. Maria hasn't learnt yet. Kāore anō Rewi kia ako. Rewi hasn't learnt yet. How would you say Anna hasn't learnt yet? Kāore anō Anna kia ako. Mārama means understand. How would you say Maria hasn't understood yet? Kāore anō Maria kia mārama. Kite means see. How would you say Rewi hasn't seen yet? Kāore anō Rewi kia kite. Finally, we can create questions simply with a change in inflection. Ka ore anō a Maria kia kōrero? Has Maria not spoken yet? Ka ore anō a Rewi kia oma? Has Rewi not run yet? How would you ask, hasn't Anna understood yet? Ka ore anō a Anna kia mārama? And how would you ask, hasn't Rewi seen yet? Ka ore anō a Rewi kia kite? There you have it. Now you know how to negate another type of past tense in Māori. Ka kite!